The Commission on Elections reminds the public that there will be no extension of the ongoing voter registration. The voter listing will end on October 31st. Noel Perfecto reports.
COMELEC Chair Sixto Brillantes has personally checked the condition of the 3 big registration centers in Metro Manila to make sure that there are no long lines at the centers in Quezon City, Makati City, and Arroceros area in the city of Manila. Brillantes witnessed the long lines of re-registrants and new registrants who want to take part in the 2013 midterm elections. Brillantes first checked the registration of senior citizens and new registrants.
Wala akong problema doon, okay lang. Kasi ito yung mga PWDs at yung mga senior citizens. Dinalaw ko lang sila kasi talaga may priority lane yan. May priority lanes talaga yan, sila nauuna.
So ano ho ang balak nyo ngayong araw na ito, Chairman?
Hindi, iniikot ko lang para makita natin yung pagdagsa ng mga tao sa huling araw. Mga huling araw. Gusto lang natin magtignan kung anong remedyo pwede natin gawin to the last 5 days. Kung ganito ito, meron pa tayong 5 araw, siguro dadami pa tao. Gusto ko lang matanong kung bakit ngayon sila nagpaparehistro. 2 taon na kami nakaantay.
So ano huli ang mensahe nyo, sir? Chairman,
walang extension. Pasensya na ho kayo pag hindi kayo nakarehistro dahil pinili nyo magparehistro sa araw ng mga sa dulong araw na. Sana matagal na ho namin inaantay mga taong bayan eh.
Brillantes is confident that the COMELEC will achieve the target of 48 million registrants at the end of this month. The COMELEC chair emphasizes that there will be no extensions of the registration period. He feels very sorry for those who will not register because they cannot exercise their right to vote in the upcoming local and national elections. Brillantes will visit centers in Cavite, Bulacan, Laguna, and Quezon City on the last day to make sure that no extensions will take place on October 31st, 2012. For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.